Operating instructions for Flowflex SARS-CoV-2 antigen rapid test. It is essential to follow proper infection prevention and control precautions when samples are collected from patients with a suspected coronavirus infection. We suggest you follow the instructions from the video, but it is best to adhere to the standard and transmission-based precautions recommended by your local health authorities. The SARS-CoV-2 antigen rapid test kit contains, in addition to the test kit, you would need to prepare your personal protective equipment in a timer. Remove the cap and place the extraction buffer tubes in the test tube holder. Insert the nasal swab into one nostril up to 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch from the edge of the nostril. Rotate 5 times, and then repeat this process in the other nostril with the same swab. Insert the swab into the tube and swirl it for at least 30 seconds. Then squeeze the swab against the side of the tube and rotate it at least 5 times. Squeeze the tube and remove the swab, then discard it. Screw the cap firmly. Swirl the tube or flick the bottom of the tube to mix thoroughly. Take out the test cassette and place it on a clean, flat surface. For a good result, it's highly recommended to perform the test immediately after specimen collection or within 1 hour at most after the specimen collection. Add 4 drops of specimen into the specimen well. Read the result at 15 to 30 minutes. Do not read the result after 30 minutes. The intensity of the color in the test line T may vary with the concentration level of the SARS-CoV-2 antigen present in the specimen. Any shade of color in the test line region T should be interpreted as positive.